Hello grade 6. Today let's study concept 3 in unit 2. It's called interpret and use absolute value. Let's study lesson 5 complete to unit 2 lesson 5 exploring absolute value. What is the meaning of absolute value? Absolute value, it's the distance between a number and a zero. It's the distance a number from zero. The distance between any number from zero, okay, on a number line. So that, for example, here absolute value of x, and the absolute value of x is denoted by x, and I can make the two vertical sticks, okay, x between two vertical sticks. It's called absolute value. But what's meaning of absolute value? It's the distance. Oh, can I ask you question? Can you walk the distance by negative? No, I walk 2 meters, I walk 2 kilometers, I run 3 kilometers. It's a positive number. Can I say that I walk negative 5 meters? It's unlogically. Okay? Yes. Let's take a preload example. Look at here. For this example, I can name this Omar or Ahmad. Ahmad here in a negative 4 of the point, and here his twins Omar, it's in a 4 point, located on 4 point. Between of them the distance here 0. Okay, Omar from 0 it's 4 units, and Ahmad from 0 it's also 4 units, but the two of them are in opposite position. So 4 and the negative 4 are opposites. Excellent. Or additive inverse. Yes. But what about for absolute value? The absolute value here, the distance between 4 and 0 is 4 units. Absolute value, it's a distance between 4 and 0, it's 4 units. It's absolute value. So the absolute value of 4 equal 4. And also the distance between negative 4 and 0, 4 units also. Distance, walk the distance, it's 4 units also. So the absolute value of negative 4, it's also positive 4. So the absolute value of any number, positive or negative, inside between two sticks are positive. Yes. Again, here the absolute value of any number, positive or negative, included between two vertical sticks are positive. Absolute value 4, 4. Absolute value negative 4, also 4. Not negative 4, also 4. Okay? Remember that absolute value negative 4 is 4, but negative absolute value negative 4. Here I have here negative sign outside the two vertical sticks. So I put down the same sign negative. And the absolute value negative 4, it's 4. So the answer is negative 4. Okay? Remember that. That's our lesson today. Lesson 5. It's called explore the absolute value. Explore the absolute value. Okay? And the lesson 6 here. Our lesson today, lesson 6, it's called comparing absolute value. I have two absolute value, and how can I compare between of them? First, simplify it. Simplify the any absolute value. Absolute value negative 3 as example. Absolute value negative 3 is 3. Absolute value of 3 is 3 also. So the absolute value of negative 3 and the absolute value of 3 are the same distance, are equal. Okay? But in the second example here, negative absolute value 5. Absolute value 5 is 5, and the negative both down here, because negative is outside to the vertical sticks. Okay? But absolute value of negative 5 here is 5. So which is greater? Negative absolute value of 5 or absolute value of negative 5? It's absolute value of negative 5 because absolute value of any number is positive. But here I have negative outside, so here positive greater than negative, 5 greater than negative 5. And the third example here, negative absolute value negative 4, negative, put down because it's outside. Absolute value negative 4, negative 4. Absolute value negative 4 is 4. And the sign, it's outside. So negative absolute value negative 4, it's called negative 4. But absolute value negative 7, excellent, 7, absolute value of any number is positive. So you can compare between 7 and the negative 4. Any positive number is greater than any negative number. That's our lesson today, lesson 6, comparing absolute value. And in this video we have to listen our explanation, lesson 5 exploring absolute value, and lesson 6 comparing absolute value. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel of MBS. Thank you, grade 6.